Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Mohisa Iqbal. Today we shall learn the topic addition, and in this lesson I will tell you how to convert ones into tens. First of all, we will revise our previous lesson as we have already done in the previous class. Students, हमने वन डिजिट नंबर की एडिशन पिछली क्लास में सीख चुके हैं हम. So here is the one digit example. We have to add them, like here is 3 and we have to add 2 into 3. So let's see, 1 2 3. Here is the 3 balls and we will add more 2 balls into 3. 1 2 more balls we have. Now we will add these balls together. 1 2 3 4 5. We will get 5 when we will add 3 into 2. This was our previous lesson, students, which we have already learned in the previous class. Now it's a time to learn how to add one digit number into two digit number and how to convert ones into tens. So let's start. Here is an example, students, in front of you, that Ali has 42 candies and he gets 9 more candies from his friend. How many candies does he has altogether? अली के पास 42 कैंडीज है और उसके फ्रेंड ने उसे 9 मोर कैंडीज जो हैं वो दी हैं. हमें ये बताना है कि अली के पास टोटल कितनी कैंडीज हैं. सो व्हाट विल वी डू? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल राइट 42 and 9 into place value chart, as you can see, and now we will add them. So before adding, we have to check what are the digits in the ones column. Ones column में कौन सा digit है? It's 2 and 9. अब हम 2 and 9 को ऐड कर लेते हैं. So let's start. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. When we will add 2 into 9, we get 11. So students, हम 11 को ones column में नहीं लिख सकते. हम क्या करेंगे? We will write 1 in the ones column and we will carry 1 to the tens column. Now we will add tens column digits. In the tens column, here is 4 and 1, and we have to add 4 into 1s, and when we will add 4 into 1s, we get 5. Let's see, 1 2 3 4 and 5. We get 5 and we will write 5 in tens column. Now we know that Ali has 51 candies altogether. Now this is a very easy way how to solve the question of addition. Now it's the time of your home assignment. You have to solve these sum in your maths notebook and send me at my email ID, that is miaayan42@gmail.com. Have a nice day.